All right, hello and welcome. Brett here with clickmill.co. So in this video, we're going to briefly show you what's called the MCC account. MCC account is what you're going to be creating or getting access to if you're working with multiple clients. And the MCC account is for advertisers who, like I said, are running multiple clients. And this is kind of what it looks like when you break it down. So you'll notice we see our ads accounts, we see all of the campaigns and all the ads accounts. And you'll notice we got multiple ads accounts now. So now we got ad groups in each ad. So all the structure is the same, but look, now we have 3 accounts and all of those can be accessed here through the MCC account. So within the MCC account, there's a drop down that shows you the list of your ads accounts. You click into that account and then that account's going to show you a drop down of your campaigns. And then you can click into those and you can start getting more granular in the campaign, start looking at the ad group data. And then you click into one of those ad groups and you can start editing keywords and the ads within that ad group and maybe seeing a little bit of information about the landing page as well. So this is the broad Google Ads account structure for advertisers that are running multiple accounts. Thanks so much for being here. We'll see you in the next video.